Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to self-install the Verizon FiOS Internet Complete Home Setup Guide. Step 1. Connect the Verizon router. So plug one end of the Ethernet cable into a Ethernet port on the ONT. Then connect the other end to the WAN Internet port on the Verizon router. Now connect the router power adapter and turn it on. And wait several minutes to the router to fully boot up. Step 2. Wait for the router to connect. Allow up to 5 minutes for the router to stabilize a connection. Then check the router status light. A solid white light typically indicates the router is connected and online. Step 3. Activate your FiOS service. So open the My Verizon app and sign in and follow the on-screen activation instruction. If prompted, enter your account information and verify your services. The app will guide you through any remaining setup steps. Step 4. Connect your device. Find the Wi-Fi network name, SSID and password to the router. Then label and connect your phone, tablet or laptop or smart TV to a Wi-Fi network. You can also scan the QR code on the router label for faster connection. The step 5. Test your internet connection. So open a web browser on a connected device. Then visit the website to confirm internet access. Now run a speed test to verify your connection is working properly. Then move the router to a center location in your home if Wi-Fi coverage is weak. So goodbye and thanks for watching.